I want to break away from the usual mindset lessons, kung masasabi ba ang lessons yun, or mindset takeaways. And gusto ko lang magbasa ngayon ng mga Reddit stories at i-apply yung mga mindset lessons sa mga stories na to. Okay? So, here's the Reddit story na nabasa ko. Umpisahan natin sa grocery story. Sabi niya, so earlier, we were grocery shopping and already lining up at the counter, ready to pay. The woman in front of us, turns out she didn't know the price of anything she picked up. Like, literally everything. Mind you, there were price tags on the shelves. There were price checkers. And yet she only decided to ask for the prices when she was already at the counter, holding up the entire line. The cashier politely asked if she was sure she was getting the items. And this woman answered in the most sarcastic tone. I don't even know their prices yet. That's why I'm having them checked first. The attitude was unnecessary. The cashier was just doing her job. What made it worse? After finding out the prices, she decided not to get several items and just left them on the counter. No apology, no effort to put them back. As if the staff were her personal assistants. She already delayed everyone, was rude on top of it, and still acted that she was some kind of VIP who deserved to be accommodated no matter how long it took. I know everyone has the right to change their mind while shopping, but doing it at the counter with zero consideration for the people behind you is just plain inconsiderate. Am I wrong for being annoyed, or is this just basic grocery etiquette that some people completely ignore? Alam mo, sa nagsulat nito, you have the right to be annoyed, maasar, mainis, at magalit. Dahil sino nga ba naman ang hindi maasar no magagalit nun, nakapila ka, tapos yung nasa unahan mo, namimili pa lang ng mga items sa kinuha niya doon sa grocery habang nandun na siya sa cashier, diba? Ang haba na ng pila, nagugutom ka na, or, diba? Sinong hindi maasar nun? And acknowledge the emotion na nararamdaman mo. Pero ako, may isang story ako na nabasa. Kung alam niyo yung The Empty Boat story. Ito ay story ng isang bankero. So, umamangka siya at napansin niya na may bangkang biglang lalapit sa kanya at binangga na nga yung bangka niya. Galit na galit siya, bakit binangga yung bangka niya, wala naman siyang ginagawa doon sa bangka na yon, bakit siya binangga? And then nakita niya walang laman yung bangka. Nung na-realize niyang walang laman yung bangka, naisip niya na, ba't ako nagagalit? Wala naman palang laman yung bangka. And yung anger niya, yung asar niya, ay biglang nawala. Ganon din daw sa tao. When we encounter yung mga ganitong sitwasyon, na tayo ay nakakaharap ng pagkainis o pagkaasar sa isang tao, isipin lang daw natin na Sila ay empty boats. Walang lamang mga bangka na bakit tayo magagalit sa kanila? Malay mo, stress out lang sila. Or insecure sila. Or balisa. Hindi sa'yo nakadirekta yung attack. Na-project lang sa iyo yung ganong mga emotions. Kung bakit nila ginagawa yung mga bagay na ginagawa nila. Pero you have the right to feel those emotions. Acknowledge mo yung emotions na yun. And i-apply mo yung empty boat theory. Yung empty boat story. So thank you. And sana may natutunan ka sa video na to.